All right, it's the pond dig. We're gonna go ahead and start digging in this area. I mean, it's already holding some pretty good water. You can see it's spring fed. We already got water in here, so we're gonna dig out and see what we have. It'll be interesting, that's for sure. Try to give you some firsthand knowledge, or I guess firsthand video of me digging. It's gonna be interesting. I've never dug something that's already so wet. But I think eventually we'll probably hit some dry stuff, some good clay. There's a lot of good clay in this area, so we'll see. Come along. All right, I got the 24-inch bucket on right now just to get through the topsoil. I don't think I'm gonna really need it with the way this is set up in here, but yeah, I don't know. Got this daggone vine here too, but yeah, we're gonna start. This is about gonna be the center area of the pond, so we're gonna start swinging it out here behind me, and we'll just start digging it out. This is kind of we'll call the center point. And we're gonna get water in here pretty quick too. I know we will. I'll probably have to move some of these piles around a little bit, but I think I might get in here a little bit deeper. Yeah, I think I might even go ahead and put the 3-foot bucket on. I was thinking we might need the teeth to rip it, but I don't think so. I think we're gonna be just great with I think it's so soft. Oh yeah, look at that water pouring in. Well, you can't see it, but yeah, we're gonna kind of work our way back in this area a little bit. This will be kind of a part of the pond, really maybe about 5 feet from this tree. We're just gonna start digging. Yeah, we'll go ahead and change buckets here. It's not too bad to change these buckets, but I guess with Kubota, the way it works, you can't have the quick attach system. I don't know. That's what they said, at least. If you got a thumb, which don't make any sense to me. They probably could. It probably just was an expansion option. So I think the 3-foot bucket will make a whole lot more sense. All right, we're back with the 3-foot bucket. I think this will do a lot better. I'm gonna work our way down in here. See what we come up with. I know it's gonna fill up quick, so this is gonna be kind of our back edge of the creek or the pond. right, so I was able to get a good amount of the pond dug. We're gonna call it a day for today. I got the spring kind of trenched out. Obviously a lot of dirt but we're gonna finish this thing up tomorrow, or at least get the majority of it finished up tomorrow, and then probably, I'd say finish probably Monday. But I got a good start. All right, well, we've wrapped up a little bit of the pond dig. At least phase one is more of a drainage kind of project too, but I'll show you what we got. Basically, we had a spring fed, or spring that was feeding this area and just soaking it up. So we've got pretty decent start to a small little pond, and then we did some trenching up to a culvert install. Got more work to do there, probably some stone on there, but basically we've got everything draining down to, or from the pond area down to the culvert area. So a little more cleanup to do with the stone, or with the extra dirt, but basically we got kind of gonna watch it rain and see what happens. So hopefully it turns out pretty good.